Hello, thanks for watching the video. So I'm going to be cleaning a toilet bowl in the early morning hours. I was around probably 1:30 or something like that a.m. So here it is, and has not been cleaned, I'm guessing 9-10 months. I'm the one that's relegated again to do this always. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. So I'm going to try to do something easy with cleaning that, because that's not going to clean it right there, even with our cleaning solution. So I ordered this, and we're going to try it out today. It's some little pumice, I don't know what you call them, maybe pads. And let's take a look at it. Got the water dripping over here because it's like 25 degrees outside, and I want the pipe to burst. So let's get this out. Let me pause for a second. Okay, so here's what we've got. We've got a handle here. It's spring loaded to push these off. Instead of having to handle them when we're finished, we can just push this right here and it will pop them out. These are pumice, nicely shaped for cleaning toilets. This is it's a hard plastic, and then this is like a silicone piece over it. All right, so I think just straight out of the packaging, we can push our handle into one of them. There's 8 of these, by the way. Yeah, we'll push it in there. All right, yeah, with that silicone, it's gonna keep it nice and snug, hopefully. And looking at it, it kind of tapers, so it gets thicker as it gets closer to the stone. So that's what kind of keeps it on, I guess. So I won't use gloves. Won't need to use gloves with this. That's the brand name right there. Let's go check the time. All right, so 1:35. We're going to see how long this will take. It's a very inexpensive item. It gets really good reviews on Amazon. So I'm going to leave the water in there. You could do it either way. You could turn your water supply off and just flush it and work with limited water. That may be the best thing to do. I have this handy, so I might as well just use some of it. I'll just put some spray in there. Okay, that's good enough. And we're just going to kind of work our way. Now the water, it's already doing a good job. So the water will help. If it's dry, it's not going to. It'll work on the side. Yeah, if it's dry, it's not going to work as well. Probably won't do all this on camera. I'll probably pause and maybe do a time lapse. But our ring is really going way fast. Interested to see how many of these I'm going to use up for this. Again, this is like 9-10 months. Yeah, the water helps to remove this build-up. Now, it's not a good idea to wait this long, but sometimes you just get busy and you hope somebody else will take the initiative. Nobody seems to do that, so here we are. Sorry about that. So you should be getting an idea how easy this is. This will not or supposedly it does not scratch the porcelain. This is porcelain, or some type of porcelain. This is a American standard toilet tank and bowl. Wow. So far, so good. Okay, so I can't see what I'm going to be cleaning here, so I'm going to go ahead and flush this and let it refill. And I still have probably a third of this left. So I think the hardest part is going to be trying to see what I'm cleaning at this point. All right, I'm going to change this out. So all I'm going to do is push this, well, maybe I can just do it like this. Oh, that was easy. Grab another one. Beautiful. Oh, well, popped off. Let's just grab another one. I'll get that out later. Get it out now. Okay, so I'm gonna save you the strain and aggravation of continuing to watch. You still are at this point. And I'm going to flush it again, and I'll probably repeatedly do that so that I can see what we're trying to clean. Let's do it again. Okay, so we're getting in some really hard stain here. All right, at this point I'm going to pause and I'll get right back. All right, here we are about 25 minutes, I guess, into this. It's 5 after 2. Not exactly finished, but I think I'm going to end it for the night here. 2 o'clock, I want to get some sleep. What has happened is that's very difficult. Let's flush it, take a look at it. Still quite a bit left. See there. Okay, and I have found that having something that's squared off like this has helped me more. I did happen to have one of these still. This was actually brand new, but you can see I've rounded it off by now. But yeah, a little more coarse than these right here. I used 3.5 of these and realized that they just weren't doing the job for that. That's really thick. It's really thick stuff there. So that's going to take special effort. And I'm going to probably do this off camera another time. But yeah, these right here. Here's the fourth one. See, I still have a lot of this left. They worked out pretty well, especially for, if you have a ring. Really ideal for a ring. Just something that's not as thick as down where it's settled down there for that many months. Yeah, really really good for, you know, what it did. I was practically, you know, finished with most of what most people are probably going to have in 10 minutes. It's just down there. Another thing is, you have to keep flushing it because you get to where you can't see it, especially when it's, you know, everything settles down there. I also want to point out that these do float. For example, when I had this one on the handle, I would get it stuck up under the lip there and pull, and it would just, it would pop off and float. So it's not like it's going to stay down there where you can't see it, especially if you've got like cloudy water at that time. Yeah, you'll be able to see it. It'll come to the surface. So that's kind of cool. But anyway, yeah, I guess I'm going to call it a night. I hope it's been helpful. You know, don't let it get like this, because I'm going to have to continue working on this probably tomorrow. But here's the branding right here, and it was pretty inexpensive. It seemed like it was definitely under 20 bucks for all of this. I'll try to leave a link in the description below if you're interested. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.